Hi, it's Graham from Devitech, and we've just installed 10 chargers at Stauff UK in Sheffield, with the ability to add another 4 at a later date with the infrastructure added as per our usual project specification. The chargers were used by a mixture of fleet, visitors, management on site. On this project, as per our previous projects, we've installed the Savardis Maxi Charger 22 kilowatt system to allow a seamless charge for the end user. It's also been a pleasure to install it for our engineering team, which has been quick, swift, and a no-nonsense approach to commissioning. The best bit of the project has been handing it over to a very happy, satisfied client. We've had difficult cable runs, working at nights, working weekends, but ultimately it's been a good project to get over the line. But as per usual, we've delivered on budget, on time, on spec. On completion of the project, the client has taken advantage of our EV Charge Care handover, as well as end-to-end 24/7 management of the back office to ensure monetisation, management and maintenance. It's been a pleasure to work with all of our partners on this project, such as the bay markings, cable pullers, infrastructure, electrical teams. Nothing's been too much trouble, very accommodating, and it's been a pleasure to hand this over to the client.